Can shipping containers be used to build quality low-cost houses? The answer is yes. In this video, we explore a low-cost container house built using a 20-foot container, brick, and even more interesting, an elliptical thatched roof at a pocket-friendly budget of only $8,000 in Kerala. Welcome back. This low-cost house at Kerala was designed and built at a pocket-friendly budget by Walls and Voids Atelier architects. Interestingly, the house is built using a 20-foot container, brick, and a thatched roof. The container sits on a concrete pier foundation to elevate the house away from moisture. Since containers are made of steel, the house is covered with an elliptical thatched roof to effectively reduce the heat inside the house, making it practical and possible for this climate. The container is oriented in an east-west direction, with the original container cargo doors serving as the main entry to the house. The resultant space is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors that slide open into a modern and well-equipped interior space. Designed in just 322 square feet, the compact dwelling has a single bed space, a study area, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The bed space features a comfortable single bed placed in one corner to create a versatile lounge space. Opposite the bed is a lovely study table for two, which can also serve as a dining space. The house has a contemporary, fully equipped kitchenette with essential kitchen appliances and storage ideal for long stays. The lavish bathroom located at the rear end of the shipping container. On the interior, the container is entirely insulated with rock wool to keep away Kerala's blistering heat that can rise to unbearable levels. The low-maintenance terracotta tiles on the floor look great and make the space look pleasant. The amazing elliptical roof is the icing on the cake. The thatched roof in the shape of a boat adds a rustic charm to the house, which otherwise looks very chic and modern. The thatch is installed on top of a regular GI truss roof with a layer of heat insulation to effectively cut off any direct solar radiation. This three-layered protection on the roof ensures that the house has a pleasant and enjoyable ambience even during the noontime when the sun is harsh. In addition to the space inside the container, brick pillars were introduced at the front to create a covered porch to allow the limited indoor space to spill to the outdoors. Solar panels are fixed on top of the roof to power the house, making it operate fully off-grid, ideal for rural environments. The construction of this new age house was completed on a meager budget of 650,000 rupees, which is equivalent to around 8,000 US dollars. What appeals to you the most on this amazing low-cost housing project? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. All the information and photo credits belongs to Walls and Voids Atelier Architects. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.